Imagine a universe where the impossible becomes real, where the speed of light isn't the final frontier, and humanity discovers a way to outrun the fastest thing in existence. For more than a century, scientists have held one truth to be self-evident. Nothing, absolutely nothing, can move faster than light. Not a spaceship, not a particle, not even gravity itself. Light travels at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. And according to our current understanding of physics, that is the cosmic speed limit of reality. But let's dream for a moment. Let's imagine a future where we challenge that limit, where humanity builds a craft capable of doing the unthinkable. Today, we're going to explore what would truly happen if humans could travel faster than light. To understand the consequences, we first need to understand why the speed of light is so special. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that the faster an object moves, the heavier it becomes. Its mass increases. And so does the energy required to push it forward. As you approach the speed of light, your mass grows so large that you would need an infinite amount of energy just to go a tiny bit faster. That's why nature doesn't let normal matter reach this speed. It's like a built-in safety mechanism for the universe. But in our thought experiment, something changes. We somehow find a loophole, and we push forward anyway. As our ship accelerates toward light speed, strange things begin to happen long before we even break the barrier. 2. Inside the ship, time seems perfectly normal for you and your crew. But for anyone watching from the outside, the universe sees something very different. Your heartbeat slows down. Your voice stretches into a low, drawn-out sound. Your movements appear to be frozen in time, almost like you're stuck in slow motion. The view from your cockpit is even more bizarre. The front of the ship compresses space, shrinking the distance ahead like a collapsing tunnel. Light from distant stars shifts into dangerous high-energy blue radiation. And the universe grows brighter and hotter the faster you move. At 99.9% of light speed, time for you nearly stops. You could travel for what feels like mere minutes, but upon returning to Earth, you'd find that decades, or even centuries, have passed. You could cross the entire galaxy in your own lifetime. But now, let's cross the line. Let's imagine our ship breaks through that ultimate barrier, and finally moves faster than light itself. The moment we do, the universe changes in ways we have never experienced. To observers back on Earth, our ship doesn't slowly accelerate and disappear. It simply vanishes instantly as if it teleported right out of existence. Then, something even stranger might happen. The ship could appear somewhere else in the universe before it ever even left. This is the great paradox of faster-than-light travel. Travel forward in space, and you may end up traveling backward in time. Inside the ship, you would feel a violent distortion. Space itself begins folding like paper all around you. Colors stretch into invisible wavelengths. The very matter of your ship begins to ripple. The stars that once filled your view blur into shadows, and the familiar sight of space disappears entirely. Speed. You are no longer traveling asterisk through asterisk space, you're now traveling asterisk outside asterisk of it. And this is where something truly incredible happens. You begin to see the past. As you move faster and faster, you overtake the light that left planets and stars long, long ago. Entire moments in history appear to play out right before your eyes, but in reverse. You might see supernovas rewind, with stars unforming from clouds of gas. You could watch galaxies shrink and reassemble. If you turned your ship back toward Earth and looked through a powerful telescope, you could watch our planets pass like a cosmic movie playing in reverse. You might see the medieval world, the rise of early humans, or even the age of the dinosaurs. As the light carrying those ancient images finally reaches your ship, you would become a spectator to history itself. But the faster you go, the stranger and more dangerous things become. Some theories suggest that moving faster than light could tear open the very fabric of space-time. This tear might form a wormhole or tunnel connecting to distant parts of the universe. While this sounds like a sci-fi dream come true, wormholes are believed to be incredibly unstable. They could collapse in an instant, destroying anything trapped inside. They might blast your craft with lethal radiation, or even fling you into an unknown dimension with completely different laws of physics. You could end up in a parallel universe, a place where the rules that govern our own reality no longer apply, because of these dangers. Many physicists believe the universe has built-in protections to prevent faster-than-light travel. They propose the idea of cosmic firewalls that keep the timeline safe from paradoxes. If you try to go too fast, space itself might snap back at you like a stretched rubber band. The energy in your ship could spike to infinity. Your atoms might be ripped apart, or the ship could simply disintegrate into a flash of pure radiation. The universe might have its own way of saying, "You shall not pass." But let's imagine for one last moment that we survive all these dangers, and we actually achieve safe, controllable, faster-than-light travel. Suddenly, the entire universe becomes accessible in ways we never imagined. We could visit galaxies that are billions of light-years away, or could witness the birth of stars up close. We could explore the most mysterious objects in the cosmos: black holes, quasars, and breathtaking nebulae. We could visit worlds beyond our wildest imagination. Humanity would become a true galactic civilization. But traveling faster than light would come with a heavy personal price. When you finally returned home from your journey, you might find that time on Earth has moved far, far ahead of you. You might leave for what feels like just 1 hour and return 1,000 years in the future. Your family, your friends, your entire civilization, everything you ever knew could be gone. You would be a traveler lost in time, a stranger in your own home. So what truly happens if humans travel faster than light? Time bends, space twists, reality itself becomes unstable, and the universe reveals secrets that we may not be ready to understand. For now, faster-than-light travel remains impossible, confined to the realm of science fiction. But as our science continues to evolve, we may one day discover that the cosmic speed limit was never a limit at all, but a doorway into a future far stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of our universe.